What is IA? IA, also called hyperautomation, is a concept leveraging a new generation of software-based automation. It combines methods and technologies to execute business processes automatically on behalf of knowledge workers. This automation is achieved by mimicking the capabilities that knowledge workers use in performing their work activities. The goal of using IA is to achieve a business outcome through a redesigned automated process with no or minimal human intervention. As a result, IA increases process speed, reduces costs, enhances compliance and quality, increases process resilience, and optimizes decision outcomes. Ultimately, it improves customer and employee satisfaction and boosts revenues. IA focuses on automating the work done by knowledge workers, whose principal capital is knowledge. Examples include programmers, physicians, pharmacists, architects, engineers, scientists, designers, public accountants, lawyers, and any other workers whose line of work requires them to, quote-unquote, think for a living. As opposed to manual labor, which is material-based, knowledge work is information-based and commonly found in service industries. Simply put, IA is the white-collar version of the blue-collar industrial automation, which started in the early 19th century. For example, IA is used to support and augment the tasks performed by lawyers, financial controllers, or call center agents. An easy way to explain how IA works is to draw parallels with human capabilities. Through IA, we aim at creating quote-unquote digital workers or automation programs which mimic the actions performed by human knowledge workers. To deliver a work outcome, we as humans carry out business processes using our human capabilities. We make use of our capabilities to see, hear, speak, read, understand, act, react, and learn. IA is composed of a combination of technologies that reproduce these human capabilities to deliver business processes on behalf of human workers. IA effectively creates a software-based digital workforce that enables synergies by working hand in hand with the human workforce. On the simpler end of the task spectrum, IA helps perform the repetitive, low-value-add, and tedious work activities, such as reconciling data or digitizing and processing paper invoices. On the other end, IA augments workers by providing them with superhuman capabilities. For example, it provides the ability to analyze millions of data points in a few minutes and generate insights from them. By using IA, companies and workers aim at building touchless business processes. Touchless processes, also called straight-through, represent the highest level of process efficiency and effectiveness. Unique characteristics of IA. IA has the following characteristics that explain its rapid expansion and its expected drastic impact on our world. It is recent. The term IA was coined only in 2017 by the IEEE. It combines relatively new technologies. Most of them have been developed in the past 10 years. It's universal. Most functionalities can be applied across industries and business functions. It is scalable. After the first program is developed, scaling can be done instantaneously and indefinitely with virtually zero incremental cost. Increasing the capacity of a digital workforce is as simple as copying and pasting resources. It is available 24/7. IA capabilities deliver services on demand at any time and any day, ensuring the continuity and sustainability of automated processes. It is reliable. IA systems will always produce the same outcome, based on the same input. Assuming no change in the environment, their level of performance remains unchanged and accurate. When implemented using leading practices, IA systems are highly resilient. It is economically attractive. Most IA-related technologies are available at a reasonable cost and typically generate payback in less than a year. It is accessible. IA technologies tend to have intuitive and accessible user interfaces. The skills required to use most of these applications are limited or easy to acquire.